Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not working on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management, click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and cache and clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera not working on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.